I came down to Arizona, and I was interviewing for some dentists and some doctors. I have a very good insurance plan. And I interviewed Dr. Wais, and Dr. Wais did an exam. He found the piece of tooth that was left in my mouth to decay for 5 years. I was impressed with his professionalism, his thoroughness, his genuine caring. We connected. He asked me, and he interviewed me as well, and asked me what I wanted. And I was very impressed with that he was truly concerned about achieving a goal, an optimal health, not just my dental health, but just optimal health. After the interview, I left very pleased. I knew it was going to be a process of about 3 years. I was committed, and more so he was committed to my health. And I was happy to see that I had found a partner in my dental health care that was truly going to get me the results I wanted. We proceeded to work on my dental for about 3 years. We did have to take a tooth out and put a tooth in, and the tooth got rejected. So at that point we were kind of hopeful. Dr. Wais then went in and did some bone grafting, put the bone graft from back here into the front tooth, and it took. And then we proceeded with my smile, which I love. When I first came to Dr. Wais, I had a decay problem, and Dr. Wais did a thorough examination of my mouth, had found that a tooth had been left to decay in my mouth after about 5 years. All of my teeth were worn down, discolored. They weren't symmetrical. It was very difficult for me to chew and digest. I had to swallow my meat full in whole pieces, and that was causing a lot of indigestion issues for me and a lot of discomfort. When I first started to see Dr. Wais, I had a very stiff neck, migraine issues, sinus issues, and Dr. Wais thoroughly explained to me the importance of the bite, and he let me know that he would be making me a mago for my mouth that I could wear at night to prevent me from grinding. I can't tell you how much relief I've gotten from that. I was able to sleep longer at night. My sinus infections have decreased during the years. I'm no longer grinding my teeth. I've had no migraines since I've moved down here. I would wear the mago at work and at home. Many people were inquisitive about it. I explained what it was, the relief that it gave me, and what my goals were. They were actually very inquisitive about it. Wanted to know who my dentist was. Sometimes they would take a step back, like braces. But it wasn't that challenging. Dr. Wais had put an implant into one of my tooth at the front, and my body had rejected it. It was a very painful experience. He put me on some antibiotics and some natural anti-inflammation. He was very thorough in explaining to me what was going on. He was very, very informative about what are some of the natural things that I could do. He explained to me more about my body than my own doctor would have. Dr. Wais explained to me more about nutrition than I've ever been explained to by my own doctor. Dr. Wais did some blood chemistry testing on me, which was new to me. During that testing, we had found out that I was very acidic. Dr. Wais sat down and explained to me thoroughly about nutrition and the types of food that I could eat and what I should be doing to help my body get into balance. After that, Dr. Wais and I were able to go back and put the implant in. It took. It was very successful. I was very happy that I could have a full, broad smile again. And I was very happy to see that there was some success in our plan. That was a big milestone for us. Now that we've been working on my dental health for the last 4 years, I feel as though we have completed our goal together. I have a great smile. Definitely helps me at work. I feel better. I feel happy. I feel like proud of myself, where before I was kind of shy, not so proud of my mouth. I feel like I can chew and taste food and enjoy things again that I wasn't able to do before. I'm much more knowledgeable about my health, much more knowledgeable about my nutrition. I'm 46 years old, I'm thin, I work out, I feel great, I feel energized, and all of that comes from my mouth. And I can't tell you how much I want to thank you.